I love adventure in the outdoors.
Jacob Brissett, owner of Lake Effect Surf Shop, is prepping his surfboard for today's adventure.
If you're a surfer like me that's going at every opportunity, you'll usually be checking those surf reports and weather reports every day.
On days like today, when wind advisories are in place, many of us stay indoors, but the Milwaukee surf community heads out to Lake Michigan. When the weather is at its worst, surfing is at its best.
You really like a north or a south wind. When you have that, it kind of spans across the whole lake and creates a lot of fetch, that wind over water for a period of time. The more of that fetch we get, usually the more significant the waves are.
Lake Michigan's temperature is almost 39 degrees, but the colder water helps wave production.
A lot of times that colder air is denser and drives those waves a lot better than the warmer air in the summertime.
For warmth, the surfers wear insulated waterproof mittens and bodysuits.
A wetsuit like this is one of the thickest that they make in the surfing industry. Really good for places like here in the Great Lakes.
Besides the wave action, Brissett says the best part is the surf community.
We really don't have the biggest waves or waves the most often like they do on the coasts, but I will say the people here are genuine. They love the sport.
In Milwaukee, Dajia Swad, WISN 12 News.